Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to take a 5-minute trade with our strategy. I'm going to use trend line with support and the resistance level, some price action with candlestick analysis. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can watch my previous videos over the same topic so that you can understand what I'm talking about and how I use them. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is Euro USD chart, and currently as you can see, market is moving in the downward direction on a minor scale. So first of all, let's try to draw some key levels, and for me this is looking like a strong level. So we are going to draw extreme level of support because market is moving in the downward direction, so we need to wait for some breakout as well. I'm going to include this wick also because we are drawing an area and we have to include the wick section and the body section also. So you can see this is a extreme level of support, and market, you can see here, worked clearly. So in such cases, what we can do, as market is moving in the downward direction, we have to see the price action. Right now, let me draw a trend line here, and this is a trend line. It's a valid trend line. Now let's wait for the market to give us some confirmation. As for me, market should be going in the downward direction after breaking this extreme level of support level. I will include this wick because we are getting the most touches, and the third touch confirms a trend line, so it's a confirmed trend line. Now let's wait. Okay, I think it will, we have to stick with it only. We will wait for the retracement. If market reverses from this level, we are going to shift our trend line a little bit, but right now I don't think it is required anymore. So as you can see, market is moving in the upward direction, and for me this is looking like a strong level of resistance. You can see here it's a resistance level, so if market break this, the chances are high that market is going to hit this level. So we can do one thing, we can wait for the market to retrace back, and if we get some opportunities, we can place a trade in the upward direction. But for that, we need a proper price action with some candlestick suggesting the same story. Right now the situation is not in our favors. We can't say if market will go in the upward direction or in the downward direction. So in such cases, we always wait for the confirmation, but this is a good strong level of resistance. We can use it, or if I remove this trend line, we can say this is a range market. You can see it's a ranging market. This is the resistance and it's a support level. And we all know that when you're trading over a ranging market, you can place your trade on the levels only. Placing your trades in between could be a riskier thing. So try to avoid placing your trade when the market is in the middle, because if market is here, like in this case, it can go in the upward direction or it can reverse and go in the downward direction. So it's better to place your trade at the resistance or at the support, because we know these are the boundaries, and market in most cases will going to reverse to hit the next level. Like in this case, market hit the resistance and reverses and hit the support level. So if you have placed your trade here, you can see this was the confirmation candle. It was previously a resistance, so it could be a winning trade. So we are going to duplicate the same thing. We are going to apply the same strategy on this chart. So what I will do, I'll remove this trend line. We are going to use this range to place their trade. Now it will going to take some time, because I can say that market is in between, and it will take at least 4 to 5 minutes to reach at least this level or here. So I'm going to fast forward this video. We'll start explaining you again once I take the trade. So let's wait. So So we have placed our trade after the breakout. It was a clear breakout, and as you can see, the range is being broken completely. So I placed my trade. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result I'm going to explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. So we have won this trade. Now let me explain you why I took this trade. So the reason is simple. As I have drawn this resistance level and this support level, the market was moving previously in a range. So in my mind, I was thinking that I'm going to use this resistance level to place a downward direction trade, because in such way I will be going with the trend. If we go by price action here, you can see that market is forming price action in such a way that it shows that market wants to go down. This is the level where market was stuck. It was moving in a range, but if you draw a trend line, you will see that this trend line shows that market is in downward direction, downtrend. I have explained this concept in my previous video about the trend line. So if you haven't watched that video, you should be watching those videos about that technical tools, because I use them in most of my videos. So this shows that market wants to go down. It's a downtrend market. Market broke this level. It was a strong candlestick, and I don't see rejections on this candle, and that's why I was sure that it could not be a fake out. See, the chances were still there that it could turn out to be a fake out, but I didn't got any rejection, a clear rejection from the market. So I was thinking that this trend line shows that market should be going down. The price action also suggests that market should be going down. There is a breakout and it's a strong candle, and the only thing that was negative in this part was that it could turn out to be a fake out. So if four things were in my favor, I took that trade, and you can see we have won this trade. So this was the setup. I think I have explained the setup in as easy language. And one more thing, if market broke a certain level, it is going to hit the next level, then only it can reverse. See, if market is breaking this level, it is going to hit the next level. Let me show you. So market is respecting this support level right now. We will not say that it's a reversal like pattern, but we can still say that market is okay. So you can see this is the next level. Market broke this level, you can see this support level, and it hit the next support, which is here. So I just wanted to say that if market is breaking a certain level, it can only reverse if another level is present below it or above it. In this case, this is the level where market can reverse. So I placed my trade thinking that we have got everything in our favor, and I was also trading in the direction of the trend. So I took the trade. So I hope that you have understand the concept and the analysis behind this trade. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And a request from my side, if you want to watch my videos, you should be watching the support and the resistance and the trend line video, which I have uploaded yesterday. One video I uploaded yesterday, and one video I have uploaded like 1 or 2 weeks back. So you should be watching those videos, because they are explaining the concepts, how I use the technical tools. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.